way too wet.
It's so saturated. I've been here twice in the last 2 weeks. The first time I was here, even the valve covers and the water meter was flooded in water. And it's still just so saturated that when you step on it, you can feel the suction. You can actually literally see water coming up out of the soil. He's on our soil conditioning, but I think his soils are so tight that we're literally going to have to do a core aerification here to get that jump started to help this lawn drain. Even with the Bermuda grass dormant, the roots are still alive. They still need oxygen to be able to function. And I think that's why his front yard hasn't looked like his neighbors. The roots aren't getting enough oxygen for the plant to be healthy and thriving.
So since we don't do core aeration, what would you suggest for this client?
I would recommend getting with a landscape company that does. For at least one treatment this year, or you could actually literally go to Home Depot and rent a machine to do it yourself.